I just sneezed once, and suddenly my mom's on high alert. You're sick, no phone for 7 days. Seriously? One sneeze? It's like she's got a sixth sense for sniffles. I mean, I could be allergic to dust or just have a tickle in my nose, but no, I'm apparently on the brink of a full-blown epidemic. 7 days without my phone? That's a lifetime in teen years. I can't even check my social media or text my friends. I'm basically being grounded for a sneeze. I can already hear my friends' group chat buzzing without me. Thanks, Mom, for turning a simple sneeze into a week-long digital detox.